guys, we're here in Dollar Tree with my kids. So they love to come here, Dollar Tree. And the weather is so good here right now. Look at the weather. Thank you. So far. Micah, hold mo ikaw muna kasi mag-video ako. So here's the... Oh, look at that. It's beautiful here, guys. I don't know what we're gonna buy for that balloons. So these are the balloons right now. Look at this. No, there's a limit stock now. So there's a big number. Numbers. Just collection, guys. These are the helium-filled balloons, solid color. Michael, which balloon you like? Come on, choose here. Only one. Okay. Choose the balloon. Get one. Come on. Get one balloon. You stand there. You stand there. I'm gonna take you. You stand there, the balloon. Look at me. Just wait. Look at me. Okay, get one. Choose one.
Where's the lollipop?
There's no lollipop. This is not the area for lollipop. Get one now. You want the emoji? Get the emoji. Get the emoji.
No, I don't like balloon.
You don't like right now? Okay. Why you change your mind? You said you'll come here to buy balloon.
I'm not lollipop.
You get the lollipop. So I think, guys, that's all for right now. Because you want right now lollipop. We're not in the mood to buy balloon, but I show you the shopping vlog for balloons in Dollar Tree. So these are the display right now. So hope you enjoy, guys. Thank you for watching.